In primetime news this evening, numbers up, more new COVID-19 cases and more recoveries.
Quarantine quandary. Food packages delivered in St. Mary lockdown areas, but residents still facing hardships.
And later, minors and COVID-19. TVJ News tells the story of wards of children's home amid the COVID crisis.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. I'm Herman Green.
On air and online at onespotmedia.com, and I'm Shanella Precious. Also this week, we have the Financial Week, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: has the COVID-19 pandemic impacted your plans for Mother's Day?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.